Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a closer look at this awesome Viper alarm security system. This is the 3400B, and it also is compatible with the VX, but this is the 3400V. And I'm going to just go over a few of the components that you can expect out of the box. I will be attempting to do this install myself. It's not too hard. There's plenty of videos out there on the internet, and you also have a manual of how to install. But first, let's look at what's included in the box. First thing that you notice is you got your key fob here. Very nice industry standard style key fob. It does have an LED that reports unlock and lock. You can also set this for other things, for the auxiliary. And then it has a panic button, so that's pretty cool. It comes with this electronic box. This is your main brain you'll be installing under the dash. You also have your main wiring harness that plugs into here. And then you're going to have to read the instructions on where to connect all of these wires. Don't be too intimidated. It's not that bad. You do have to have some experience, obviously, but you can get it done. And then you have a horn here. This will go under the hood or somewhere facing down, and you wire this up. And this is going to be really loud. That's going to be what reports. And then you have some other wiring connectors here that they'll explain in the instructions on how to utilize some of these, if not all of these. So that's what comes in the kit. You even have your sticker right here that you can put in the window to alert everyone that you now are armed with Viper. So can't wait to get this installed. I'll do a video when I'm all done.